Welcome, it's that time of the month again where we are ready for another Christmas Stampathon 2020 challenge, and here is our inspiration, this photograph. My name's Esther, this is Stampin Star Creations, welcome to my channel. So this is a close-up of the picture that we are using this month for inspiration to make 4 cards. So I tried a few different ideas, nothing seemed to be working, so I scaled back, had a look at the picture. I'm going to take colour inspiration from the tree, using that blanket with that plaid tree and the parcels in Family Party that we can see in the background of the photograph. So plenty of colours today: crumb cake, pretty peacock, real red, so saffron, Bermuda Bay and granny apple green. So I'm going in with my sentiment first so that I can work out where the rest of my presents are going to go. Stamping off first to get a lighter impression and then coming back onto my page. So I found it easier to stamp all over, although a lot of these presents are going to be covered. It just helped with the pattern and the design. Using just the top half of the bow to put the bows on top of the presents, because I didn't want them spotty presents, I just wanted the bow, so just inking up that part of the stamp. As you can see, this gets covered with crumb cake. I just felt that this white piece needed a border. So now I'm coming in with my bright colours, stamping in the middle tree first so that I can work my way out towards the edge. This has got a bit of blue in it, so make sure you give it a good clean with your chamois in between the colours. Next, going in with Bermuda Bay, upside down tree to make it fit in, then granny apple green, the real red, and finally pretty peacock. Adhering that white piece, which is 2 inches, to the crumb cake piece, which is 2 1/4 inches, and whatever it is across to make a A6 size card. And then this lovely linen twine. It's got a bit of a kink in it, so just running my fingernail between my fingers to get out that crease, and it works a treat. Wrapping it round and just creating a simple knot for a bit of detail in the side of the card. Letting my ribbon dictate to me where it wants to sit. So just gluing that and adhering it to the final card. Make sure it's the right way up and stick it down. So really quick and simple card for you today for the Christmas Stampathon. Please go and head over to Facebook and join in with the challenge for this month's Christmas Stampathon 2020 challenge. You can make up to 4 cards, that's the plan, so you're all ready and sorted for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for the video if you enjoyed it.